This is day 2. We're going to make sure our calculator is still in radian mode. Then we'll go to the y equals menu and enter sine into y1. Hit enter. Then type cosine into y sub 2. Hit enter. We're going to try and find the intersections on the interval from -2 pi to +2 pi. So hit the window button and set x min to -2 pi, x max to 2 pi, y minimum is -4, y maximum is 4, and a scale of 1. Step 5, we're going to hit the graph button, and we'll see the sine graph first, and then the cosine graph. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 points of intersection. We'll hit second, calc, 5 to find an intersection. It automatically jumped to y sub 1. You could see that at the top, that is on y sub 1. And I'm going to hit enter. The cursor jumped to y sub 2, so I can hit enter again. The calculator is asking us for a guess, so we're going to move the cursor to the nearest intersection, and we'll hit enter. So we have the intersection for 1 point, and we'll write down the x coordinate for that. So x is about 0.785. And now I'll repeat those steps to find the other 3 intersection points on this interval. Now, instead of holding down the right button to get all the way to this intersection point, I can enter in a value. So I know this goes all the way to 2 pi, and that intersection is close to 1 pi or a little bit over 1 pi. So maybe I'll put like a 7 pi over 6. So you just simply start typing 7 pi divided by 6, and the cursor will jump over to that intersection. So we're going to practice finding the intersections when both of them are trig functions. So go back to y equals, clear out the first y1, and type sine 2x plus 1. Hit enter, hit clear, and type in negative cosine x minus pi. Hit enter. The interval we're working with is negative pi over 2 to pi over 2. There are 2 points of intersection. X equals 0 for one of them. I did not need to round it. Okay, number 2, go to y equals, arrow once to the right to clear it out. Cotangent is 1 divided by tangent. Hit enter, clear, tangent x, make sure you close the parentheses, minus 2. And our interval this time is 0 to pi. So window, x min is 0, x max is pi. There are 2 points of intersection on this interval. So that's number 2. Number 3, hit y equals. To enter cosecant, that's 1 divided by sine. To enter 2 secant, you can hit 2 divided by cosine. That's the same as 2 secant. Our window goes from 0 to 2 pi. And then number 4, I have a cosecant, so I'm going to enter that as -1 divided by sine. This is on the interval -2 pi to 0, so x min is -2 pi, and x max is 0. This time there are 4 points of intersection. The other 3 points of intersection are -4.348, -1.206, and -0.365. So that one had 4 answers.